The hands of time seem to take away the energy of younger years. It's inevitable, right? But what if you could slow those hands down? What if you could begin living younger today? Let me explain. The pituitary gland is located in the brain, right behind the bridge of the nose. This pea-sized gland secretes growth hormone into your bloodstream, allowing your body to build and repair itself. This hormone helps you feel your best by providing energy, supporting lean muscle mass, and helping you achieve deeper sleep, allowing your body to repair itself. The problem is, as we age, this hormone production begins to dwindle. In other words, we get older faster. Luckily, there's a way to bring back the vigorous life of your younger years. Introducing VIIVA BioDerma Actives. It's registered with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and manufactured in an FDA-approved facility. BioDerma Actives is a revolutionary product, a safe transdermal cream that's applied topically to the skin that helps you age better. Boosting growth hormone levels may help reduce some of the visible signs of aging and bring your body back to functioning at a high level. And here's the best part. Managing growth hormone is associated with incredible results in the mind and body. It can result in weight loss, radiant skin, stronger hair, improved joint mobility, and increased strength and muscle tone. It supports better mood, enhanced memory, improved focus, and more restful and restorative sleep. Many people give in to the symptoms of aging, but at VIIVA, we don't believe you have to. We believe your best days are ahead. Stay healthy, vibrant, and youthful with VIIVA BioDerma Actives. For more information, contact the person who sent you this video.